Today we have this 1938 Woodstock antique desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Margins are located behind the panel here, right here and right here. And you just push down like that and move it on each side. You can move these paper holders here from side to side, just like that. You have to keep them on the edge of the paper. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you pull this little knob out and push it down one slot, and it skips 2. Do that again, skips 3. We're gonna keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, you just pull this little knob up and push it on the red dot. I really like this machine. It's very powerful and well engineered. To be honest, I think it's better engineered than the Royal or the Underwood. Just by the way, the feel of the way it types. The print looks really good too. I really like this one. It's kind of rare. I never really get that many Woodstock typewriters, so could be a very rare machine. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward on the right side here, above the knob, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock or multiple pages. We're gonna put this back down on black so it prints black next time we start typing, and make sure you flip that switch back up or else the next page won't load correctly. Got a shift on each side and a shift lock on each side, and to clear that you just hit that shift button again. Backspace on the left side here on the top, that works good. It's got a tab key right here on the top right, and I think we don't have any set. To set a tab, there's a button right here and it says tab stop set. You're gonna set it right there, and when you hit the tab key, it'll stop at that spot, and you can set as many as you want on this. And to clear it, there's a switch on the right side here, and that'll clear all the tabs. The direction control is right here. There's a little pin. Look at the lighting right. There's a little pin right here, and if you push that in, it'll pull to the left side, and if you push it in on this side, there's a pin right there. Might not be able to see it with the lighting. Right there, you just push that in, and then it'll pull to the right. And that's where we want it to pull because we have all the brand new ribbon loaded on this left side here. So we want it to pull to that right side. And it's got there's a carriage release on each side here. This one's behind the knob, and on this side, it's behind the knob but in a lower position, and that allows you to control the carriage freely. On this side, you have this knob that you pull out and you turn it, and it'll disable the spacing mechanism when you turn the knob and turn it again. And now you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is a space. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.